Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that right now we have a good selling pressure going on. Yesterday, when I told everyone that you can hold your sell positions, further downside is possible on gold. Honestly, I was not expecting this kind of massive move because market was silent. There was not much volatility in the market. I was expecting gold to go around 2040, 2035, but this move was totally unexpected. Anyways, half of the month is over and finally we are getting some volatility to make some money, and hopefully you guys are happy too. So let's look at the market. So my dear friends, this is the chart of DXY US dollar index, and we have been discussing about US dollar index for the last couple of days. The DXY is trading in a range and we need DXY out of the box for proper move, not only on gold but on other pairs like Euro USD. And finally we can see that DXY is going up. Dollar index has broke the level here, finally out of the range and heading towards the next resistance of 104 to 104.50. And as I have already said in my previous videos also, that though DXY is showing recovery but for a complete trend reversal we need DXY move above 104.50. So today we can expect that if DXY hits also 104.50, market will face some resistance and market may struggle around the area. So plan your trades accordingly. Okay, and if you look at the market sentiment, then you can see dollar at 1 month high as rate cut bets soften. Market was expecting rate cuts, but yesterday it came that the US Fed may not go for rate cuts because they are thinking that rate cut may be too soon. Okay, so there is a confusion regarding the rate cuts. Before, market was pretty confident that yes, rate cuts are coming. The news was bullish for dollar. As a result, we got to see good amount of upside on US dollar index and pressure on Euro USD, gold and others. Okay, you can see gold flat after price slump as Fed comment pushes back rate cut house. When I read this headline, I was surprised too. I was thinking gold flat? How? Okay, but again, yeah, I read gold flat on Wednesday, so it is talking about today morning. So in the morning, gold was flat. Okay, when the news came out, but right now you can see that we have good amount of selling pressure on gold right now. So this is the market condition. So let's discuss the trading opportunities. Okay. So first of all, my dear friend, we can see gold made a low of 2025 yesterday. Okay. Gold made a 2025 low yesterday. Market went up and you can see that market reversed from FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So market reversing from this particular level is giving us the confidence that the Fibonacci is working nicely here. So during the day, if market goes up, we can expect the rest of the Fibonacci levels also to work, isn't it? So we have 2037 to 2038 as the good selling opportunity. So during the day, if market shows good amount of upside, then you can look for sell around 2037, 2038 because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, we can see we also have the 100 moving average around the area. So we have dynamic as well as the participation of the retail traders. So 3738 is the first level where you can look for a reliable selling opportunity. Secondly, we have selling opportunity around 2041 to 2043, and the reason is FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, you can see we also have previous resistance around the area. So if we combine both the factors, 2041 2043 is also a very strong resistance, reliable resistance, where we can look for a sell position. And you can see that today I have also used the sword. So I think that 2050 is the ultimate resistance for the market right now, and I don't think so market will have the strength to cross 2050 in case upside comes also. So in this market condition, my dear friends, If you already have a sell position, hold your sell position because further downside is very much possible. But I'm also holding a sell position and I'm okay, I'm keeping my fingers crossed and I'm looking for further downside. And if you are looking for fresh opportunities, then probably you have heard me a lot of times saying that whenever a market is in downtrend, sell on rise is the best trading strategy because your risk to reward ratio is always in your favor. So if market goes up, 203738 is the first level or 2041 is the second level. But you might be thinking that 2037, 204143 are far away from the current market price. In case market doesn't have the strength, what can we do? In that case, you can look for some selling opportunity around the previous resistance as well, the previous high, which is 2031 to 2032. You can also look for some selling around this area as well. You can also see on the chart that 50 moving average is also working as dynamic resistance. I cannot give you the exact number right now because it's a dynamic level, but if you want, then you can put the 50 moving average, and during the day, if market shows upside, observe the volatility of the market. Volatility plays a major role, dominant role. If the volatility of the market is not very high, if you see market going up but not very convincing, you can expect the market to face resistance around the 50 moving average. If you see market reversing from 50 moving average, you can also look for a sell position there as well. Okay, so reliable levels are 3738, 43, 4143, and 50 is at the top, but those are far away from the current market price. So if market goes up with less volatility, you can also look for sell around the 50 moving average as well as the previous level of 203132 as well. So volatility will play a major role here, and get the confirmation first. Okay, when market will hit the level, do not place an order blindly. After all, this is market my difference. There is no 100% guarantee, but our capital is limited. So as a result, we need to protect it, and as well as we need to respect our capital. Yeah. So keep in mind that we need to be careful. And if you're already holding a sell position, if you have a sell, be on the trade because further downside is very much possible on the chart right now. And honestly, I also have a sell, and if you are planning to take a sell at this moment right now, you can also look for a sell, but keep in mind market may show a little bit of upside as well. Okay. Now let me take you to the hourly chart here. Okay, so we are back to the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us. So we can see that already market is showing breakdown signs here, but Asian session is not a very good session for breakout or breakdown trades. But still, if you see market breaking going below 2023 level, you can also look for a sell position as well. But keep in mind, it might be a little bit riskier because, as I said, Asian session is not a good session for breakout and breakdown trades. But still, okay, you can look for a sell position below this as well. How much you can expect? At first, the market will go and hit 2020. Okay, once market will hit 2020, observe the market. If you see the selling pressure is too high, then market will head towards 2015 level. Okay, 2015, 2014 level. So uh, try to exit around 2015 level, because once market will be heading towards 2015 level, market may take some support around this area as well, because we have the next support around 2014 to 2013 on the chart. Okay, this might be the level from where we may get to see a good amount of bounce on the chart of gold. And if you look at the options data, okay, if you look at the options data, I don't want to complicate things right now, but if you ask me, Abhilash, what is the range of gold right now, where is the ultimate support, I think 2000 to 2005 is the support for gold right now, and I don't think so gold will be going below this level as of now. Okay, if any news comes out and news pushes the market, that's a different story, but right now I don't think so gold will be going below 2000 level, and rest depends on the market. And my difference today, retail sales coming up, so market will be volatile, and try to follow the trend of the market after news. Okay, because when fundamentals dominate, technicals usually fail. Don't forget it. Okay, and try to follow the trend of the market. And if you're a beginner, new trader, observe the market to gain some experience, but do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Forget what Avilas was saying. Follow the trend of the market. Okay, because following the trend is more important after news. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.